What's going on, guys? Blended Tech here, and I can't thank you enough for the support we've been getting on the channel. We're at 13 subscribers now, so that's pretty good, guys. If you could, please click the subscribe button. But anyways, let's get into what we're talking about today. Today we're doing a video on a $50 Apple Watch. This is the 7000 series, aluminum, or just the first Apple Watch ever produced. It's a single core, so it's not very good, but we'll get into that a little later. Let's find out if it's really worth it. Alrighty, guys, so this is the Apple Watch that I picked up for just around $50 USD. They're pretty good, as you can see. You get a single core processor, so it's not anything quick, but it works with every Apple device. So it's not supported anymore. It's the only Apple Watch that's not supported still by watchOS, but it still works really well. And I think it's you get that little crown and the button, as you've shown there. You also get a heart rate monitor, and this also counts your steps and stuff like that. On the bottom, this is also the charging thing. It's magnetic, the charger, so we're getting to that right now. It's a little different. It's not anything fancy, but it's kind of cool. I think it's cool. It's kind of like wireless charging, but a little different. It uses magnets and charges it that way. It charges pretty quickly, but you do run out of battery on this particular, since it is an older one. The battery life is not very good, probably around 2 hours. You get the passcode here, which is not terrible. You still have features like the passcode, so you're able to lock it and make sure it's kept safe, which a lot of other smartwatches for $50, they don't have passwords and they can't seamlessly connect to your phone. So as you can see there, you have the password, and you can have multi screen there. As you can see, it tells you your heart rate, your percentage, all that stuff. And you can also scroll out there down, but you can also scroll with your hands as well. You have an assortment of apps that you can choose from. You can also do Apple Pay on this one, so you are able to use Apple Pay just like any other phone. As you can see here, you have a wide variety of apps. You can check emails, send messages to people, and even call people if you have your phone on you with this one. You can call through your Apple Watch, which is pretty cool. The mic is not very good. The speakers aren't very good, but you get what you get. You can also download music on here, which I use a lot. But as you can see here, it looks like it's brand new. I don't have any scratches on it, and I use it almost every day. So I can say that I really recommend this. It's only around $50. It works amazing, and it's very, like, there's no other Apple Watch that you can buy used $50. You can't get this thing new. I haven't been able to, even refurbished at this point in time, because it is quite old. Came out, I believe, in 2015, roughly. But as you can see here, I can seamlessly use my calendar, and if I have any schedules on my phone, they'll come up on here. It's pretty easy to clear a lot of the stuff, just really gesture based. And as you can see there, I'm on my messages, and all my messages are there from the messages on my phone. So there's not much there, but you also can download music, like if you don't have your phone on you when jogging or anything. You can, it's quite, it's not the greatest, you guys know this, but it works just fine. I find it works great. The AirPods do glitch sometimes using this. But let's get into what I was talking about before. As you can see, this is $50, $55 roughly. You get the charger, and you also get brand there for a different size. So this is pretty good. You can also find them for roughly $80 certified refurbished, but very rare. I couldn't find much. But in conclusion, guys, I really do recommend this watch if you're just trying to get into the Apple ecosystem with watches, because not a lot of people have Apple Watches, but you can pick this thing up for $50, like I've said, in decent condition. And that's what I've done. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for the recent support on the Blended Tech channel. I really like that. But guys, other than that, much to say about this watch. It's for, and I really recommend it. But if you could, please leave a like on the video and make sure you subscribe with post notifications turned on for future content. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.